This video will introduce you to the top 5 facts about Tesla. Before we get into the subject, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content. Let's start. In recent times, no other automobile manufacturing firm has been attracting as much attention as Tesla Motors, Inc., which is owned by Elon Musk. The company has its headquarters in Silicon Valley in the United States, and it is hastening the shift to environmentally friendly and sustainable technology around the world without sacrificing performance. The company was established in 2003, and its name is a nod to Nikola Tesla, who was a prolific engineer and innovator in his day. The company designs, manufactures, and distributes the solar technologies, energy storage systems, and electric-powered vehicles that are the most effective in the world. Customers who utilize these services have the chance to generate and consume energy in a manner that is more environmentally friendly. The unveiling of the Tesla Roadster, the world's first fully electric sports automobile, in the year 2008 caused more than a few eyebrows to be raised. The chief executive officer of the company, Elon Musk, has stated that the organization's goal is to assist the globe in developing a sustainable and energy-efficient transportation system by utilizing solar energy and electric vehicles. Here is the list of top 5 facts about Tesla which you do not know ever. Number 5. Tesla makes more than cars. The Tesla Motor Company has expanded its product line to include more than only high-quality, environmentally friendly autos, which is paradoxical given the company's name. It is of the belief that a sustainable energy ecosystem should be created, and as a result, it also manufactures a variety of one-of-a-kind energy-saving solutions such as low-cost solar roofs, Powerwall, and PowerPack. These products give users the ability to manage the generation and consumption of renewable energy. Recharging household equipment with these innovations simply requires the use of solar energy. Number 4. Electric SUV, Tesla's next move. It is general knowledge that sports utility vehicles, sometimes known as SUVs, are notoriously wasteful consumers of gasoline and rank among the worst offenders when it comes to the use of fossil fuels. Tesla Motors is proposing a radical shift in the automotive industry by introducing an all-electric sport utility vehicle. Model X, the first iteration of the electric SUV that is being considered for production, has gull-wing doors, can seat 7 people, and gets its power from a single battery. Number 3. Insanely safe design. It has been consistently recognized by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration as having a high level of safety, which has earned the organization's high praise. There was a time when people thought the Tesla S was the safest vehicle available on the market. The most significant features that contribute to the Model S's status as the safest electric vehicle are its virtually indestructible construction and its massive batteries, which make it nearly difficult for the vehicle to topple over. Due to the model's incredible toughness, numerous of the safety testing apparatus have been destroyed. The automotive industry is ripe for disruption, and Elon Musk and his fellow engineers plan to bring it about not only by improving fuel economy but also by enhancing passenger protection. Number 2. No maintenance? Tesla automobiles practically never need to have any maintenance performed on them. In light of the fact that they use electric engines and other cutting-edge technologies, this aspect comes as a big surprise. Because they are so technologically advanced and long-lasting, the batteries do not need to be replaced during the course of their lives. It is generally accepted that the automobile is rock solid, and the only components that might require replacement in the near future are the windscreen, the wiper blades, and the tires. Number 1. Largest battery factory. As the market for Tesla automobiles continues to surge, the business has made the decision to construct the largest battery plant in the world, which is also rumored to be one of the largest structures ever constructed on the face of the Earth. The factory, which will cover 5.8 million square feet and be located in the middle of the California desert, will be used to manufacture batteries for the company's electric vehicles. It is anticipated that the company will produce enough batteries each year to supply energy to a total of 500,000 electric vehicles. So this is our video for today. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.